how to open the hood in DONGFENG Box. Alright, so let's start by opening the front door on the driver's side. Then let's find the lever. The lever should be located right here on the left side on the driver's. Let's just find the opener with the car symbol. So here I have this one. Let's just press it towards me. You should hear this sound, this pop sound. Now you can go to the front of the car. Let me close the door. Let's go to the front. And here you should hear that and see that the hood is opened, but you cannot open it fully. You should find this safety lever. It's located almost right here. So let me just find it. Yes, there is opener. All right, and now you've got access to your hood. As you can see, you can make it stable by using this stick. So let me do it. You can just remove it here and you can use it and put it here. All right. Now you can check out your engine, and if you would like to close your hood, let's use this sticker again. All right, put it here. And you can close the hood. Let's do it gently. And to close it fully, let's just press it on the center. All right. Sometimes you need to do it a little bit harder. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.